Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm showing you how to replace the bulbs in your Spyder taillights on the Toyota Yaris sedan models, in particular Toyota Vios 2nd gen or Toyota Belta. It doesn't matter. So all you're gonna need is a pry tool. You don't need one this long in particular. This is the only pry tool I have. I lost a smaller one. So what we're going to do, pop the trunk. And when I say Spyder taillights, this is the Spyder taillights for the Toyota Yaris. Alright, so it's gonna be 2 grommets. So get your pry tool, get underneath. Cloth might get in the way. Just 1 and 2. And once you do that, just pull the liner back, and that gives you access to all 3 bulbs. Well, on the Spyder, it's only 2 bulbs. You can see, and then reverse light, that's the only 2 you could replace on the Spyder taillights. This section, the brake light, that's all LEDs. That's non-interchangeable. So if it blows out, you can't replace it. So anyways, and also if you follow the channel, I'm partnered with Oxito, so you get 15% off your order using promo code Mark Rodriguez. So I'm on the driver's side. So the one with the oval shape, that is your reverse light, and if you was on passenger, it would be the same hole, just same. Well, it'd be in the same position, just flipped over. So anyway, this is your reverse. So you want to turn it counterclockwise and pull out, and this is the Oxito LED. So you just take it out, and then of course put your new bulb in, and then you want to push it in. And then feel for when the socket fits, well, it goes flush on the back of the housing. And then once it does, that's when you turn it clockwise to lock it back into place. So I'm trying to find it. All right, there we go. And then same thing, and then this one would be your turn signal. So same thing. Turn counterclockwise and then pull out. And then of course you will pull out your bulb and then put the new one in. And if you follow the channel, I'm partnered with Oxito, so you get 15% off your order using promo code Mark Rodriguez at www.oxito.com. And then once you got that, you want to sit there and put your little push grommets in. So, and then I'm gonna give you a live demo of the Oxito turn signal and reverse light, and then of course the brake light. All right, so that's your brake light. It's like I said, if a bulb blows out in the brake light section, you can't replace it unless you take it to a shop, or you know how to work on taillights to where you gotta heat it up in your oven and then open up your taillight and dig a little deeper to replace the LED or whatever is blown. But as far as the turn signal and reverse bulb, that's how it is. So you can see that's brake, and Oxito is no hyper flash. So I've had a request for this, so this is how to replace your bulbs in your Spyder taillights for your 2nd gen Toyota Vios, Toyota Belta, or here in the States, 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.